Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can limit group chat in Facebook Messenger application. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to open up this Facebook Messenger application. And this is where you and I need to find the group chat. I have one already set up, as you can see. And if you want to restrict group chat, unfortunately, there's only one way. You'll need to click on the group chat and hold your finger down. It goes like this, until you get a menu box like this. Next, the only thing you can do is press mute. Essentially, you're just turning off notifications that any messages are coming into this group chat. This is the only way to limit group chat in Messenger. After you press mute, you'll be given a choice of how long you want to turn off notifications in that chat. And it can be 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or you can turn them off until you return those notifications yourself. And you can choose how long you want to limit this kind of group chat. I've chosen 15 minutes, and as soon as you choose that option, you get this little bell sign like this. That means that your notifications are now turned off and you will not receive notifications from this chat. This is how you can restrict group chat in the Facebook Messenger app. Hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and write comments. See you later.